Hi everybody, this is Marlene with Dixie Quilters, and look what we have. We got it earlier than I expected. Good grief, I thought it would come here on Friday. We have the Sew Sampler, yay! Yearly box, yearly. It's 10 years is on there, see, 10 years. We got the first 10-year edition last month, and it was a super box with 3 full packs of charm packs, which gave us more than enough for any of the projects that were in the box. So here we are, we're gonna open it up. I know I watched another movie about it, but I still like opening it up for me. So here we go, we're gonna open it up. See everything right out of the box. Whoa. It says, Carol Me Happy. Oh, Coral Me Happy. Well, it's gonna be bright color. Okay, here we are. Look at this. Coral Me Happy. And I think we know who the designer is, but just in case you haven't seen any of the other movies, let's open it up together. And it says, so grateful for 10 years. Yes, thank you, Kimberly Jolly. This has been a wonderful thing to get this box. Oh, look at there. Full of stuff, full of expensive stuff. These papers are not inexpensive. And whenever you use it for a project, there's always enough to do at least one more project, maybe 2 more. There's so many on a roll. And these are beautiful fabrics from Tula Pink, Free Spirit. Wow. Oh, I got to look at all this real slow. Okay, so, well, no, I just can't. Here's the little paper, but I like to look at everything. Quick and easy all-star block tool. Oh, my goodness. A book. Simple cutting charts and tools. Can you believe it? Look at that. Aunt Eliza's Star is what I opened it to. Christmas Star, Broken Star, Country Star, Diamond Ripple, Double Z, Flying Kite, 4 Crowns, Hope of Hartford. I think we could be making quilts for the next 20 years out of this one little book. But we're going to hang on to that. And the next thing is the Starflower quilt pattern. Oh, that is nice. Is that a new one this time, or is that one of the, oh, it says it's from the vault, the Sew Sampler vault. Did you understand what that was? That means it's for this 10th year anniversary. They're digging out their 10 best, most sought after, most appreciated patterns from the previous 10 years, and we get an extra pattern each month. So this is the one from the vault. Starflower. I like those kind of stars. And it tells you what you need for it. And it's usually a 6-piece fat quarter bundle. So we can do that. And then another one is called White Caps. Look at that. Oh my goodness, because the large pieces in the middle would accommodate big fabrics. And I have 2 little people here watching me record this. And so if you hear any little whispering going on, that's my 2 grandchildren. And Mama doesn't want them on camera, so they're going to be over there behind the camera. But she's very careful with those kids, and I love it. Okay, so this one is most likely the one I'm going to do because, you know, Tula Pink, her designs always have those big things in them. So let's look at that. And then you got the half square triangles on a roll from It's So Emma. That's Kimberly Jolly's daughter, Emma, you know. And let's see here. How many are on there? Makes 660. Good grief. And this White Caps use 1 roll, 2 3/4 half square triangle paper. I can't imagine that would be making 660 for just this little quilt. It's a 61 by 75.5, so like a twin size. And then look, spooled. It's the next block in the spooled block of the month. So those are going to be in those blues and greens and yellows that I have. So that's exciting. So what we've all been waiting for, we're going to open this up, and I'm going to keep the ribbon because, you know, I like to use those for stuff. So here we go. We're going to take this off of here. And voila, we're going to have the coral. Reminds me of Hawaii. Just a minute, let me get that. Here we go. Free Spirit. What beautiful fabrics. And it's Tula Pink. That's my daughter Katie's most favorite designer. Oh boy, we have to look at all of them. These are 10-inch. Look at those fish. Isn't that beautiful? And there's a bunch of shells. Man, is that color pretty. Oh, it looks like sharks swimming around in the coral flowers. And here is some more big, like a big sea anemone, but it looks like a cabbage, doesn't it? Oh boy, here's the seahorses. And a snake. And a shell. Boy, and an octopus. Can you see the octopus tentacle in the corner there? And then here's the shells again in green. And that is a bright lime green. And the little fishies in green. And it is directional. They are all going down in this way. Now here's a lovely blender. I like that. And then here's the fishies in blue. They're pretty. Very lovely. And here is the big sea anemone type things. And you put your finger in the middle and all those little things close up on your finger gently. But if you were a little bug, they'd keep you in there and eat you. Here's a pretty blender. Oh, this one's pretty. Look at this one.
It's little shells.
I like it. It's got, one of my children says it looks like a shell.
But it looks like waves.
Yeah. And then here's some more sharks. Hammerhead shark. Oh, this one's a beautiful periwinkle blue. Beautiful shells. And this is another color gradient like a rainbow. Just beautiful. I think that she's going to do really well with this line of fabric because there's so many gorgeous colors. This is the right time of the year to do a gorgeous color fabric project because for summer I like to use these bright colors. Here's the hammerheads again. And sea anemones. Those beautiful. And that is a directional fabric. See that snake? Ooh-wee. And then this one is a darker color. Now when we're looking at this fabric, 10-inch petite stacker is valued at $23.48. So a regular stacker would be how many? 40? Yeah, 40. And in this, there's just 20. And then we've got the block tool book. Can I hold that, please? Thank you. I'm quite impressed with this. This is not your $2.98 special at the dollar store. This is regularly priced $19.95. See? So if we were to go to Amazon or Fat Quarter Shop and want to buy this, that's $19.99. I really think Kimberly is really pulling out all the stops to make this year super. 10 years. That's pretty exciting. And so, okay, we're going down the row here. Quick and Easy All-Stars Block Tool by Debbie Rogers for C&T Publishing. It says value $18.98, but the price on the back is printed at $19.95. White Caps Quilt Pattern by Fat Quarter Shop. Let's see which one that is. White Caps. I definitely like this. This is the one that was designed to be used with this stacker and the triangle paper. So then we have value of $11.98 on that. I would spend $11.98 for that because it's hard to find a pattern that has a large centerpiece that you can showcase those sharks or the snake or whatever you want to do. And then the triangle paper. And then the spooled quilt along. which I'm having so much fun making. So I have my work cut out for me. I have a lot of projects to be working on. I got white caps, I got spooled, and goodness, we're gonna have to look at what's in this. Maybe I'll have to start another new project. And Starflower, I think, is gonna go into my archives. It's beautiful, and I like the one that is the table runner. I like that. And of course, these come in handy fabulously. So that's all, folks. I think the value on the box, let's see what it was. Spooled was 5, triangle was 15, so 20. And then we have the $23 petite stackers, so that's 10 and 20, that's 30. No, that's 20. The triangle paper was 15, the spooled is 5, so that's 20. Then we have 23 for the white caps floral, so that's 43. And then we have the block tool, which is 20, so 43, 63. And then we have a $12 pattern at 78. So 78 on the shy side, and probably a little bit more when you put in all the change. So that is really a super, super box. And I know we're all paying about $34.95 now and $5 more for shipping. What a steal. So try to go to your local quilt store and buy something for $35 that gives you this many options, this much stuff. It's pretty amazing. I know you could probably do that at Walmart, but you wouldn't get this quality of a pattern, and I don't think you'd get that. And of course the fabric would be colorful, but not this quality. This is superb quality from Free Spirit. It even feels good, you know. Feels good. Nice hand to it. All right, we're gonna get back to playing some games with the kids now. So I hope you enjoyed the Fat Quarter Sampler for this month. I know I'm gonna be making something with pretty much everything in there except for that one thing. And I'm gonna put, you never know, I might make something next month on it. The Starflower. It reminds me a lot of one of the patterns that we had in 2025 that was a baby quilt size. And I worked it up for a little baby boy. So anyway, have a good day and God bless. Thank you for watching Sew Sampler. And this is Dixie Quilters, Marlene talking. Okay, bye-bye.